Hello, welcome back to Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you how I created this kind of a random mecha kind of robot. It's kind of unfinished, and I'm using the Blender 2.93 LineArt modifier as well. So there's grease pencil that's auto generated on the fly from the camera. So this is still kind of work in progress, I think, but I kind of already like the look. It's not perfect, but still, it's kind of interesting, and everything is created. Just, I think it's under 5 nodes. No, it's under 10 nodes actually, but it's actually really simple. If I get out of the camera from different angle, the grease pencil line art looks strange, but from the camera, it looks correct. I like manga, comics, and graphic novel, those sort of things. So that's why line art is really beautiful, and especially on this robot. So the way I created the robot is simply just a basic cube, but even I didn't use the default cube. You can use the default cube. Instead, I'm using this icosphere, and let me reduce the number of icosphere. So icosphere is just icosphere. I simply scale and transform it, and then I use attribute randomize, so it's randomizing the points, and then I'm simply using point to volume, volume to mesh. I probably not gonna give you the blend files, but you can make something similar and use edge split, adjust the angle, and shade smooth it. And then I have this chain of modifiers: smooth, mirror, solidify, subdivision. Just remember this order. You can, of course, do more or less. In the past, I've been using GeometryNodes to do this mirroring and those sort of kind of noise randomizations, those sort of things to generate this kind of result. I don't have the name for this kind of robot. I just call it RamDon. RamDon is like from the movie Parasite. It's kind of like a slang from random. I think it's just kind of like a play of words. So, but this is the result, and this is for the watercolor painterly look. I'm using Zen shaders, stylized shaders. So I think this is quite nice looking, and I already uploaded some videos of this kind of robot. I think in the future I wish to be able to just put on some additional details, like maybe lamps or maybe like labels. But I think this is kind of one of my original artworks in a way, but then there are so many variations can be created, and this is not the end because it's still work in progress. And I think the cool thing about line art is that you can bake it and it's become a new details if you know how to do it. So you can bake the line art and then simply use that as a detail. In the past, actually, I've been trying to draw by hands all these kind of details, but I think it's looking much nicer automated somehow. Yeah, see, there's a lot of potential there with this kind of mecha robot generators. I have one that's where I actually bake the line art. It's a bit rough, yeah, but this is what I end up with. It's a little bit strange. However, the line is really interesting. So this is the grease pencil that's been baked, and it's become the new details. But of course, because it's projected from one camera, this is all the details we get. Maybe I should use two camera. But there you go. That's how I created this Mecha Robot in year 2021. Hopefully you find this interesting. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.